So we're looking at the Whirlpool galaxy, which is actually, as you see, two galaxies, a big, beautiful spiral, and a companion, a smaller companion, about 1/3 of the mass of the spiral. And together they make this beautiful pair on the sky we call M51.
It is absolutely wonderful, but there are some distinct features, like the center looks so bright.
That bright center is a general property of almost all spiral galaxies. In fact, this galaxy resembles in many ways our own Milky Way. And if we were to reside in this galaxy in the same neighborhood as we do in the Milky Way, we would be about 2/3 of the way out, maybe where that little star you see is located.
So then what would it be like, or what would the night sky be like if we lived in the center, or we lived on a planet in the center?
Well, in terms of a nightly light show, living in the center of this galaxy would be utterly spectacular. The concentration of stars in the center is at over 100 times more than those in our solar neighborhood.
So
than
every
it
one star
is-
we see in our night sky would see 100.
Yeah, where in a dark site anywhere on Earth we see, 1,000, 1,500 stars on a black night. You'd see hundreds of thousands of stars. And some of the brightest of those stars would rival Venus or Jupiter in brightness. I think probably there's also a whole series of star-forming regions in the middle, big, bright nebulae, like the Orion Nebula, but scaled up in size, again, tens or hundreds of times, and you'd see those as well. And all of that would be played out in a brilliantly bright Milky Way. You'd still see the band of light.
Across the
but-
sky.
But it would be unmistakable. You'd probably read a newspaper by it. You certainly could find your way home by the light of that Milky Way.
But the galaxy, fantastic.